Okay guys, we're back here under the Corvette. It's been quite a while. I've busted up some ribs, so I wasn't able to get under here for a couple of months. It's still no walk in the park, but we got to get at it anyway, so I'm putting these fasteners back on to hold these wires. A little tip here for you: when you tighten these down, get your screwdriver in there so you don't want to force the corner of that into your oil pan. Might not seem like a big deal, but even that is on an angle, but it's not touching the oil pan. You don't want that touching the oil pan, for a long time. Who knows, it might wear a little hole in it or something, then you'd be in trouble. So next up, I got to get the starter back on, and we're going to get this thing fired up in short order once I get the balancer on, and I'll be back to this later. So more later. Okay, so everything's buttoned up under here. What you want to make sure you do is use the proper torque. Those are 7s. Your starter is 35. And the small bolts on your oil pan are 8. And the large ones are 12. So it's worth using the right torque measurements to make sure everything stays where it's supposed to be. And next up, we'll get to the harmonic balancer. More later.